I work with over 100 different brands, helping them create content that converts. Organic content, paid content, branded content, a lot of different content, video content, static content. And I work with brands like BMW, Winners, Marshalls, HomeSense, Amazon, Ford, Toyota, Acura, and more. I also work with Fortune 500 companies, 25 of them, and I also taught social media marketing in college in postgrad program, helping students understand how social media works, how to get clients from it instead of views and likes. And today in this video, I want to break down exactly how to post daily content without doing it yourself and the systems to let you show up without burning out. If you're a business owner, you're creating your own content right now, you either know what burnout is, and you've been there, or if you're publishing every single day, you are getting close to that. Or if you're not publishing every single day, then you gotta publish every single day, especially right now in 2025. But anyways, today I want to show you how you can post on a daily basis without spending hours on it. You are a business owner. You're supposed to focus on scaling the business, not creating content all the time. You are not $10 an hour social media manager. You are a business owner, and your time is worth more than $10 an hour. So if you're creating content right now and you want to get clients, you want to be consistent, and you are tired of doing things yourself, figuring out what ideas to come up with, what to publish, how to publish, etc., 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 I have good news for you. You already have all the content. You don't need to come up with anything. You already have it all. So, what do I mean by that exactly? You are a service-based business, you're a coach, you're a content creator, and you talk to your clients on a daily basis or every 2, 3, 5 days, right? But you know your audience, you know your ideal client persona. You talk to them, you have coaching calls, you have sales conversations, and you have everything that you need for content creation. So when you do your coaching calls, if you're a coach, record them. And a lot of the stuff that you say in your content for your clients will go into content for your page, because usually that's the exact message that you want to deliver to your clients through your social media. If you have sales calls, if you're the one doing your sales calls, you are also sitting on a gold mine of amazing content that can be shared and created easily, right? Because you talk to people on sales calls, they ask you questions, they throw objections, they have some hesitations, they have some pain points. Amazing. All of that stuff is content that needs to be shared, needs to be addressed. The truth is, your content goes on your page is not about trends. It's not about going to your competitors and stealing what works. It's about shifting people's beliefs about specific topic. If you're a fitness coach, you want to deliver the idea that working out is not difficult. It doesn't take a lot of time. You don't need to meal prep to lose weight. You can lose weight. It doesn't take a lot of effort. There's a lot of different messages in shifting beliefs, messaging you want to put out there. But again, you have all of that available already. So just go take that from recordings from your coaching calls, from your sales calls, and here we go. You got a bunch of content. If you want to know how to actually generate ideas out of that and actual scripts, go to the description under this video and I'll share that with you. You can use ChatGPT, you can use different AI to extract that information and put that together just so it already gives you all the scripts and everything that you need for your content. That way, again, you don't need to figure out what to publish, how to publish, stuff like that. You have all of that already, okay? So let's just use that. That will save you at least 5 hours every single week researching, coming up with ideas, putting that together, putting scripts together, copywriting, etc., etc., etc. All that work done. We just take care of that. Number 2, content sprints. Daily hustle. Let me bold that for you. If you're a business owner right now, likely what you're doing is spending hours every single day on your content. Probably you're in your bed at 11:30 p.m. typing your posts and trying to figure out what to post. So you're like researching your competitors' reels, trying to find something that you can reproduce for your page. This is not the way to go. This is a waste of your time. Usually, on average, it takes 50% more time for content creation if you do it on a daily basis, or even if you do it like every 2 days. It takes more time, you're wasting your time. Instead, what you gotta focus on is content batching. So you record 1 hour weekly and you got your full content calendar. You have your full content calendar from this stage, right? You will have your full content calendar just from the ideas from your coaching calls and sales calls. And now you're going to do content batching. Content batching is the time that you build in your calendar to actually execute your content, right? But for that, you got to be super prepared. There is a checklist of things that you got to make sure you have before you start content batching. Also go to my description to grab that. But again, just 3 main points. 1, have your scripts ready. Practice the scripts. Number 3, have your setup ready to go. Batteries, everything charged, you're ready to go. Okay, those are just 3 things out of, I don't know how many, I don't remember how many we have, but there is a bunch of things that you gotta make sure you have in place before you start content batching. But please, no daily content creation. One time over the weekend, 5 hours on Saturday or 3 hours, depending on actually how long it takes you to create content. But block of the time, do it at that time, okay? And then you plan it out for the whole week. You don't publish every single day. You don't spend time on that. You plan it once, done, ready to go, ready to be published, okay? Feedback loop and creative block. Number 3 here. Content isn't about being creative. It's about solving real problems. So you gotta have weekly feedback. Not necessarily with your clients. If you can, if you have clients that would volunteer their time to give you feedback, awesome. But if you don't have that, you gotta go into your numbers, look at analytics, and actually see what's working right now and what's not working. What kind of content is performing? There's a lot of tools that you can use for that as well. If you're interested, put that in the comments. Sorry, I'm keeps like sending you to description and comments, but like there's just too much stuff out there that I don't think I can share in one video. But like there's a bunch of stuff. So for example, here you see when I go to my YouTube, I can see what performs better, like what kind of content performs better on Alex's page. Like if I look at it, it's gonna take a second to load, but I can see like, okay, this is 17x. So this is a great video. 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 I can also go to this page and I should have this one, I think. This is not an ad. This is just a really cool tool. Okay. Let's see. Okay, you see most viewed reels. Here we go. You can see the most viewed reels. I don't even have a pro version. If you want, you can get a pro version, but in any case, like you gotta analyze your content. There's also ways to do that effectively, just like I showed you. Because if you don't use this tool, let me refresh real quick. You're gonna be scrolling, 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 scrolling until you get distracted and start watching memes. So your goal is to get the feedback from your audience. You do that either by asking them questions, asking them in stories, asking them in direct messages, asking them on calls, coaching calls, whatever, meetings, in-person meetings, consultations, or you literally just go into your numbers, your engagement. You gotta look for reach, shares, saves, and view time if it's video. If it's a view time, you gotta make sure that people are watching your video for longer. If they do, that's because you have probably something super valuable, good hook, good content, okay? But usually your views, it's a good indication of how your content is performing, because the reason why people have more views is because they got probably more shares, more saves, and more view time, right? So, okay, either look at those three metrics that I mentioned or views, but usually people start with views. They look at the views, top performing content, like I just showed you, is AI tool, and then they kind of go through the specific videos and they look for those specific metrics, like three metrics that I just explained to you. But this is super, super important because you want to make sure that you get feedback, right, from your audience to understand what's actually working, right? Because if you're going to continue publishing and then it's not working, where you're going to end up? You're going to end up back here in burnout, okay? So how to post daily? You take your ideas and you will never run out of ideas if you just take them from your sales calls, from your coaching calls. Without doing it yourself, you can plan it out, you can schedule it. That is option one. So, I mean, you still kind of do it, kind of, right? But the second option, you can hire a content manager, person that will do all the editing, scripting, writing, design, publishing, planning, person that understands marketing strategy, understands how to actually implement in your business so that you get clients from your social media. In that case, you're not going to do it all. Like the only thing that you would really do is just recording some talking head videos and sending some videos for editing, right? Like that's the only thing. So that would be ideal option for you, I'll be honest, because as a business owner, you don't want to be a social media manager in your own business. You want to make money, you want to focus on scaling business. And editing videos is definitely not a great money making activity here, right? So hire a content manager, hire a content partner that will work with you and implement the strategy that is already in place for your business so that you can get more clients. If you want to know how it works, go to description again, book a call, I'll explain to you. It is easy, it is fast, it's super effective. The clients that I work with right now are getting insane results. They don't need to be worried about social media marketing ever again. They are just focusing on scaling their businesses, getting to 20K, 30K, 50K a month, while their content partner is doing all the work and doing it for probably half the price that you would pay the agency if you would pay in US or Canada or even in Europe, honestly. Why? I'll explain why on a call. I'll explain how we do it, how it works. And this is the person that actually understands marketing. It's not the editor that will charge you a lot and just know how to do the video editing in CapCut or like Adobe. It's not a VA that will do Canva templates. No, this is a professional person that will do custom content for you just so it moves the needle and actually gets your clients. So that would be number two. And a system that let you show up without burnout. I mean, all of these three, right? So like you have a bunch of ideas, you content batch, you get feedback, boom, come back, implement that again, use AI to help you out, you'll be golden. This is what a lot of our clients use. Simple, fast, and super effective because it actually gets you clients. The goal for your content is not to get you views and likes. The goal is to actually get you clients. If you have any questions, if you want to chat more, book a call. If you just have questions, go in the comments or again, book a call. And we'll show you how you can implement content system in your business right now, have a content partner support you with everything, actually somebody to be on your team to do it all for you, and we'll show you how to do it all for your business, just so it actually brings your clients on a consistent basis. You publish every day, you get clients without you doing it yourself. Got any questions, let me know, and I'm looking forward to seeing you watch my next video. Talk to you soon.